Hi guys, welcome to Mina Kitchen.
Mina's kitchen.
Yes, sir. Hi guys, welcome. Hi guys. Hello friends, welcome to Mina's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna cooking an Afghan dish. It's called kofta chalow. It's basically meatball with white rice. I'm gonna show you how to cook rice and meatball separately. I have here ground chicken. Ground chicken, it's about 2 pounds. We need for that like the seasoning. This is the masala I use. It's kofta masala. This is coriander, onion. The half of the onion I'm gonna use for the ground chicken, and half of it I'm gonna use it for the paste. And this is, I use 3 kind of bell pepper, red and yellow and green.
This is orange, Mom.
I have here garlic, ginger, black pepper and salt. I'm gonna use it for meatball and also for the paste I need it. Now I'm gonna put half of the onion with the coriander with the bell pepper, and I chopped it in the food processor, but not like so soft
So basically finely chopped.
finely chopped.
Yeah, okay.
Half of the onion we're gonna leave it for the paste.
Okay.
The pepper I'm gonna do separately. I put it in the food processor, I chopped it, and now I have to strain the water because if you didn't strain the water, like your
The meatballs will be soft.
the meatball will be so soft.
And you did this with the onions too?
Yeah. I have my chicken here, the ground chicken. Mostly people use the red meat for the meatball, but I use ground chicken because my kids like it and it's healthier. So we need for that, I chopped the onion. This onion, I'm gonna use it for the sauce. This is bell pepper and this is the coriander and the seasoning. I show you like this is the kofta masala I have. I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of masala. This is, you can do it less if you don't want too hot or spicy. You can do it less, but I'm gonna use it more.
So how many spoons did you use?
I use 3.
Okay.
So now I'm going to put the onion here and the bell pepper and the coriander. I'm going to put garlic too, fresh garlic and ginger. And I put little bit salt because the masala already has salt, but I'm going to use little bit, not too much, like maybe 1 teaspoon. Now we're going to mix this. Sauce for the meatball. This is the onion like I showed you before, like half of them I use it for my ground chicken, and this is for the sauce. I have a pot here. I'm gonna put oil here, like a cup of oil here. The onion, you have to fry onion a little, maybe for 5 or 8 minutes until it's golden brown. Now it's browning. I have to put my garlic and ginger, teaspoon turmeric, and tomato paste, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, and chili flakes, a teaspoon of chili flakes. Combine together everything. We need for that like maybe 6 or 7 cups of water. This is the sauce that we need for our meatball. We fry it for 2 minutes. And I also have to put 1 spoon of salt.
Two spoons.
2 spoons salt. Sorry. Because it's ready, now we're gonna put water. I put maybe 6 or 7 cups of water. So now we're gonna put our meatball in that and we leave it to boil like for maybe 45 or 50 minutes. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a meatball. I also have a bowl of water here. I'm gonna wet my hand to make the ball easier.
Because the chicken won't stick to your hand.
The chicken won't stick in my hand. I have to put all the meatball in the sauce, and then we leave it to boil for 45 or 50 minutes. Okay, now after 5 minutes, after 5 or 8 minutes, I'm gonna put the heat low, maybe in 4 or 6, to cook it slowly. It's getting thicker. So I'm gonna leave this, and now we have to start the rice. Here we have 4 cups of rice. It's a basmati rice. I wash it a few times and then I soak it in water for overnight. You can do it like 3 hours before or 4 hours, but you can leave it overnight. It's make it good. Here is a saffron. I put a teaspoon of saffron in a cold water and leave it for an hour, so it's get like this. Here I put my water, you have to put enough water to cover the rice. I'm gonna put in a boiling water my rice and boil it for maybe 5 or 8 minutes, and it depends on the rice.
So the rice should become soft?
Yeah.
But not too soft?
No, not too soft. I turned the oven on in 350 to preheat the oven before my rice is cooked here. And now the rice is boiling for 10 minutes. It's getting bigger and
it's expanded.
Expanded. So now we have to drain the water. Yeah. I put 1 cup of rice here, and then I put my saffron on the top before I adding oil or anything. Because if you put oil, it doesn't get the same color. So now in this rice, I have here water and a little bit water and oil. And I'm gonna put some salt, 2 tablespoons of salt. It's enough, this is enough. And we mix through. I have my rice here with the saffron. I'm gonna put it in aluminum foil, and then I put it on one side of the dish here. And also, you have to put 1 teaspoon of cumin here. Put some cumin here, and that's it. Now I have to put the pot inside the stove for 45 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna show you the meatball now. It's getting ready.
Cut! I'm going to show you the kofta. I'm going to show you the kofta.
As you see now, the water is getting less and it's getting thicker, and also you see the oil is coming from all.
The oil is coming to the top.
Yeah, and now we have to put some coriander and leave it on a low heat, maybe for 10 minutes. And it's done. This is the rice I'm gonna take it in the dish. I put the rice in an oven in 350 degrees for 25 minutes. and then for 20 more minutes I put the temperature low for 250. That's the video. That's kofta chalow. Don't forget to like. Negachi. To like.
I hope you enjoyed the video.
Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. See you until next video.